All right, we're back. Part 2. Hopefully, I get us a win so I can upload this. Part 1 is up. I suggest going to watch it. Really interesting draft. Probably flaked a little too much. Got sucked into the lore of being able to play more colors than I actually could. Didn't take enough fixing. Don't have enough fixing. Etc. 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 So, let's see if we can get a couple more wins here with this deck. It's still fun. Solid deck. I think it's okay. Could be a 3 or 4 win deck. I don't think we're going to get to 7 by any stretch, but hey, we're here to play the games. We get Who's Your Daddy as an opponent, and we draw all of our planes and none of our islands. Tron. See, isn't this great? Isn't this great? But I have to let one of them go. All right. Turn 2 Shadow Summoning doesn't seem too bad, although they are tapped creatures. But now we're good on lands. No mas. No mas landos, poor favor. Let's Shadow Summon. Hopefully we draw something to play turn 3, and then turn 4 we can start. Uh-oh. First strike's a problem. Come on. No more lands. I don't want to see another land this whole game. Can't have Who's Your Daddy win too easily here. And a massive 3 would do quite a bit for me here. This is going to be first strike, I would assume. There it is. We'll block 1. Soak up a little damage. And we draw another land. If they reprieve me here, it'll be real bad. No reprieve. We hit, discarding for them an Eagles and a Minas Tirith. We do have a good blocker for the Vanguard now. They took last turn off, I think under assumption we may have had a counterspell. I'll take it. Question is do I want to risk losing my Orc army to this attacking Vanguard? I think the answer is going to be yes. If they want to use a trick on it, it's fine. I'll make another one. I'm going to soak up some damage here because I need to. Can't just die outright. Shelob's Ambush doesn't do it. Hobbit Sting does. But, okay. First strike me down with the Hobbit Sting. Another Surrounded by Orcs on deck. And another land. Not much you're going to do when, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we got more than half our lands out. Hitting King of the Oathbreakers is a solid hit. At least they can't play that on us. But, I mean, you just need to draw something that's not a land. I would appreciate that. Anything not a land here. On my next draw step would be Prime. Battle of Bywater would be nice.
Bruh.
Okay. Well, I doubt this recording will ever see the light of day. An Uruk-hai Berserker from opponents. And a slow roll. For what reason, I do not know. Probably thinking maybe there's some sort of play I have in my hand. I do have 3 cards, which does seem to matter. Joke's on them. Does not matter. That's hilarious. We'll go get just another fucking swamp, I guess. Oh, stupid. Yeah, well, this will never see the light of day, so... Well, that was fun. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 11 lands in a deck where I'm playing 16. I drew 3 spells and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 lands. 3 spells, 11 lands. Maybe I will upload this just for those LOLs. Thanks for watching, guys. If you feel bad for me, hit the subscribe button. Bye.